Hey you guys, welcome back to Journeys with Jay. In today's video, we'll be doing a very simple and cute nail tutorial. The products that I'm using in today's video, one is going to be the Apres Gel X Neutrals in the color Whitney. This is in the natural stiletto long shape. So I know that you guys saw that I had previously done a video with the Whitney color, but it was the long square. So this was one of the other nails in my really big Apres nail haul from when I believe it was like a Memorial Day sale, or it was something. There was some kind of sale that they had going on this year. So I just pretty much racked up on some more nails. Something else that I will be using in today's video is this Aurora Mermaid Gel from VARNAIL. And this is the color here. I'm also going to be using this chrome powder, and I really hope that these two go together well, because I know that the mermaid gel is on the silver side, but I feel like I kind of want some dimension, so I'm leaning towards this color, and hopefully it turns out how I want it to. But this is the chrome out of the pack that I'm always pulling colors from, and of course I will have everything linked below. I'm also using a brush for the mermaid gel. This one is a VARNAIL brush, and this is their oval brush. And yeah, let's go ahead and hop into application. Alrighty, and so before anything, I did go ahead and apply my Model 1's Nail Prep Dehydrator and Nail Primer off camera. Per usual, you guys know all of my steps, and what I'm going to do is go ahead and chemically etch the inside of the nail extensions with some of the Model 1's dehydrator as well, and then we'll come back for application. Now I'm just going to go in with a buffer, and I'm just going to lightly buff the surface of all of the nails. You don't have to do too much. We're just removing the shine, and this just makes for better adhesion from the gel products to the gel extension. I think I changed my mind. The other one was a little bit too rainbowy, like esque. So I decided to go with the #1 Pearl White out of the mermaid gels. And this is what it looks like on the inside. Okay, you guys, so I currently have a little dish, one of my palettes with the McCart rhinestone glue and not polish top coat mixed together. And this is it here. And then I just have 2 brushes, and this is what I'm going to use to really get the detail that I'm looking for. I really just want lines. And that's what I think we're going to go in with. So Okay, you guys, this is going to be our final look. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you aren't already. And I will see you guys in the next one.